Let me ask you a serious question. What if 6 months from now, your life looked completely different? Not a little bit better. Not just okay, I'm talking about unrecognizable growth. Imagine waking up every morning feeling focused, driven, and proud of the person you're becoming. No more someday, no more maybe next year. The truth is, you can reset your life starting today. 6 months is enough to rewrite your story if you're ready to take control. And this video will give you the exact blueprint. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before we can reset anything, we have to face the truth. And this is the part most people run away from. If your life doesn't feel the way you want it to, it's not because you're broken. It's because somewhere along the way, you stopped being intentional. You started letting habits, distractions, and other people's opinions run the show. Think about it. How many hours have you spent scrolling, complaining, or waiting for the right moment? How many dreams have you put on hold because you thought, I'll start tomorrow? The reset begins when you stop lying to yourself. 6 months is enough to build new habits, learn new skills, and transform your mindset. But it starts with one thing: radical honesty. Say it out loud: this is where I am, but this is not where I'll stay. Step 1: clean your environment. Your environment is silently shaping your future every single day. If your space is messy, distracting, or draining, it reflects in your mind. So, step 1 is simple but powerful: declutter and redesign your environment. This doesn't mean buying expensive furniture, it means removing what no longer serves the person you want to become. Clean your room, delete toxic apps, unfollow negativity. Surround yourself with things that remind you of your goals. When you wake up in a space that pushes you forward, your brain starts to believe change is real. It's like hitting a mental reset button. You're not just cleaning a room, you're preparing the stage for the next chapter of your life. Step 2: build strong morning and night routines. Here's a secret successful people understand: your routines shape your reality. If your mornings begin with chaos and your nights end with endless distractions, you're setting yourself up to repeat the same day over and over. For the next 6 months, build two anchors in your day: one in the morning, one at night. Morning: wake up at a consistent time. Move your body even if it's just 5 minutes. Spend 10 minutes with no phone, just focus, gratitude, or journaling. Night: no doom scrolling, no random YouTube rabbit holes. Reflect on the day. What did you do well? What can improve? Prepare for tomorrow like it matters, because it does. These two routines will give your life structure, and structure creates momentum. Step 3: reset your habits. Your habits decide your future long before motivation ever shows up. If you want to reset your life, you must reset your habits. Start with the rule of one. Pick one key habit in each area of life: health, mindset, productivity, relationships. Then commit to it daily. Examples: walk for 20 minutes every day, read 10 pages, plan tomorrow the night before, send one message to someone you care about. Don't try to change everything overnight. That's where people fail. 6 months of small, consistent habits will change your life more than 6 days of extreme motivation. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Step 4: master your focus. We live in the noisiest era in human history. Your attention is being hunted by apps, ads, and distractions 24/7. If you want the next 6 months to be different, you need to protect your focus like it's gold. Set daily priorities. Use time blocks for deep work. Say no more often than yes. Ask yourself daily: is this action bringing me closer to the person I want to become, or pulling me away? Success isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters consistently. Step 5: upgrade your mindset. Everything starts in the mind. If your thoughts are full of self-doubt, excuses, or fear, you'll never execute the plan. For the next 6 months, feed your mind like your future depends on it, because it does. Read books that inspire growth. Listen to empowering content instead of gossip. Surround yourself with people who push you to rise. And most importantly, believe that change is possible for you. Not for lucky people, not for the chosen few, for you. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to stay committed. Step 6: take bold action. All the routines and mindset shifts mean nothing without action. Action is where the new life is built. Action is where opportunities find you. In the next 6 months, set one big personal goal and one big skill building goal. Break them down into monthly targets, weekly milestones, and daily steps. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the right time. The right time is now. The world doesn't reward people who almost take action. It rewards the ones who show up even when no one's watching. Here's where most people give up. They expect perfection. But resetting your life is not a straight line. You'll have ups and downs. You'll miss days. You'll face resistance. The key is to track your progress and adjust without quitting. Use a notebook, a wall calendar, or an app. Every week review what worked, what didn't, what's the next step. Remember, growth isn't about never falling. It's about rising every single time you do. 6 months from now, your life can look nothing like today, but only if you decide to take this seriously. This isn't a someday plan. It's a right now plan. Start today. Clean your space. Set your routines. Focus your mind. Take action. And when that 6 month mark comes, you'll look in the mirror and barely recognize the person staring back. The reset starts with one step, then another, then another. If this message hit home, subscribe to for more powerful strategies to build the life you deserve. Don't just watch motivational videos. Become the motivation.